If your manifestations aren't coming fast enough or you feel like they're not working out, chances are there are some big money manifestation mistakes you're making that are holding you back from manifesting money. So today I wanted to talk about 3 specific mistakes you could be making. So stick around because these are some really important principles to understand. If you're new to my channel, my name is Sarah. I'm a money mindset and abundance mentor and creator of the digital programs Manifest Money on Demand and Activating Abundance. I've gone from being a broke, starving artist to a multiple 6-figure entrepreneur once I understood how important actively working on your money mindset is. And my mission for this channel is to help you rewrite your beliefs around money and abundance so that you can live a full and thriving life based on your idea of what a full and thriving life means to you. I also host the For the Love of Thriving podcast with brand new episodes dropping every Tuesday right now, which I'll link in the description for you if you want to check those out. It would really help the growth of this channel by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribe for your weekly dose of Thrive. Having said all of that, let's dive in. The first mistake is holding on too tightly to your outcome. So holding on tightly to the outcome, when you set the intention that you desire to manifest a specific amount of money or a desired outcome like a vacation, a dream home, or a dream car, naturally, as the ego-driven humans we are, our default is to try to control, manipulate, and create a desired outcome through a push or controlling energy. And this is because until we understand how to separate ego from self, we'll be making decisions from this ego state of mind that makes us believe that the reason for holding on so tightly is keeping us safe. Forcing our desires is never a good idea because the universe really knows what is the best outcome for us. Most of the time, it's even better than we've imagined because oftentimes we're thinking so small we can't even imagine what something like better looks like. And while of course it's necessary to take inspired and aligned actions in achieving your desired outcome, there is a term I like to use, and that is holding on loosely. Holding on loosely is merely declaring what you desire, doing the action you believe is going to help the co-creation process of making it your reality, and letting it go with faith as kind of like what I like to call marinates in the background. You don't need to keep checking in on your order. You already put it in. And now all you need to do is hold on to the energy and making space for it, all while allowing the energetic forces between you and source to do its thing. The second mistake is not understanding the shadow and light of money. So like us humans, money also has a shadow and a light side. And when you dig deeper into these shadows that you have around money, that is the only time that you can transmute the shadow into light and allow for the energy of overflow of money to attract itself into your life. I'm currently reading a really incredible book. It's called Exponential Kink. Well, I hope I said that right. And it quotes, "Until you make the subconscious conscious, it will direct your life and you will call it fate." I really want you to think about that one for a moment because it's such a good quote. So what is this shadow side? The shadow side of money is the over-obsessing. It's the fears you might have around money, the unresolved childhood memories around your money story, and so much more. And if left unresolved, it will always feel like there's an anchor keeping you within your energetic set point for money. So in order to truly step into your most powerful money manifestations, you need to understand this concept of the law of polarity as well as the law of transmutation and work through the shadows that arise because you may see success for a little while, then fall back into famine cycles because you've yet to release and transmute these shadows. And of course, we all have them. The light side of money, on the other hand, is the enjoyment of money. It's the playfulness of money. It's the intentional spending and circulating of money. And it's what I like to call the feminine frequency energy of money. And I have a video that I talked about this and I'll link it in the cards and the description for you should you want to check that video out as well. This is also some of the work that I take you through within my 31-day program called Activating Abundance, which helps shift the perspectives and beliefs that may be subconsciously keeping you stuck and unable to cross into that next level of wealth and abundance. So if you want to check out that program, I'll also leave that link in the description below for you. As always, I would love to guide you if it's a right fit for you at this time. The third money manifestation mistake I see all the time is expecting the money to come through a specific source. So let's talk about this. So if you're, let's say, an entrepreneur like me, most of the time what I see among this group of women is that they really want to manifest and expect the money that they want to manifest to come through a specific way through their business. For example, it might be that they want 5 $2,000 sales in order to have a $10,000 month, but perhaps some of that money manifests through a passive product or through a delayed payment or an unexpected check, or a settlement fund check, or someone pays you back after a really long time. There are literally millions of pathways for money to come into your life. And what I often see with women is that when the money does come to them through a different avenue or path that they didn't expect, they don't really celebrate it, or they don't count it as their money manifested, which really just signals to the universe, okay, you didn't like that, then I guess I don't need to send you more money. Or perhaps now it will challenge you to make money in a way that is way harder than what the source gave you. At the end of the day, for as long as it isn't illegal, receive the money, appreciate the money, enjoy the money, call more of the money in, and celebrate it with joy. And also track your money coming in, because what gets tracked gets measured. Even the things that may not physically be money, but have monetary value, like a friend taking you out to lunch. And for this reason, I created a free money and abundance tracker, which I'll leave in the description below for you too, that you can check out. It'll help you also see from what avenues money is pouring and attracting itself into your life. And really, you might surprise yourself. So the next time you feel like the money isn't manifesting, or looks like things just aren't working for you, I want you to ask yourself, where am I trying to control or hang on too tightly to the outcome? What shadows or wounds are still coming up for me in my money journey? And what can I do to transmute them into the light? And where am I holding this expectation of having this money come through a specific source? If you found this video insightful, useful, or inspirational, I'd love to hear from you in the comments as always. And be sure to stay connected with me by subscribing to my channel, as I'll be adding more videos based on tools and techniques on reprogramming your subconscious mind, money mindset and money blocks, and so much more, so that you can live that full, wealthy, and thriving life you know you deserve and desire. And if you're ready to transform your relationship with money and go even deeper on redefining wealth and abundance for yourself, I invite you to check out my programs, Manifest Money on Demand and Activating Abundance, which are linked in the description below. Again, I would love to guide you if it's a right fit. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, keep on thriving and take care of yourself.